Umuntu who has been expelled by i-organization ufuna kanjani manje ukuthi aqhubeke kodwa acontrol i-account yaleyo organization on the basis that i-appeal against the expulsion is still pending? Make it make sense. Someone must make this make sense. So uJabulani Khumalo had made an application with the High Court ukuthi continue controlling the account of MK le yama donation while ilokhuzana yakhe i-appeal yakhe against the expulsion is still pending. Now umbuzo wami uthi where is logic kulento le? Is it where is logic? How one you are expelled but then you still want to continue controlling the account of the organization that has expelled you, and your argument is that your appeal is still pending. What nonsense is that? Hayi ngekhona ungahambi kahle kodwa la. So ke lelo cala ke limchithile enkantolo uJabulani Khumalo. Namhlanje kade sithola nje imbiko lokuthi Pretoria High Court handed down a verdict yathi cho awukwazi phela mbhemu uqhubeka wena ucontrol i-account ye-MK when you are no longer a member of MK. In fact, inkantolo went further and directed uStandard Bank to remove uJabulani Khumalo, uLebogang Mopeng, no Musa Gas as signatories aleya account leya. Hayi bana ayasazi bana kase kuthiwa ke wena ke bhuti uJabulani ke bhuti umJJ ke wena ke uzokhokha kama cost. Ukhokha kama cost aleli cala olifakela ngoba leli cala olifakela just illogical for you to make this application to begin with. Naye lo mmeli lo advisele ukuthi this is a winnable case clearly weyifunela imali. Abanye abantu bathi ngabe bexoshiwe ema organizations ba volunteer bacela ukuremove as signatories but not umJ yena ufuna ukuthi ethi sengaphandle but aqhubeke aphathe isikhwama semali zomkhonto wesizwe okuyinto ke nje engawenzi nakancane umqondo loyo. Hayi wenzi nakancane umqondo loyo. Hayi